own. There the wind touches me without asking for anything, carrying away the rush, the worries and the fears. And in the salt that gently settles on my skin, I find the parts of myself I had left behind. Because the sea does not judge, it listens and then comforts. It speaks without words and reaches straight into the heart. Breathing in the ocean air feels like finally coming home. Letting go of all the pain, feeling my soul alive and free again. Listening to its sound, that ancient and endless breath, restoring my mind, my heart and my soul, reminding me of who I truly am. There are days when all it takes is a walk beneath the sky that melts into the horizon, to understand that every storm will pass, and that peace exists even after the night. Every wave that comes and then returns to the deep seems to say that nothing should be held too tightly, that life is a constant leaving and returning, and that true strength hides within simplicity. And while the sun slowly fades behind a golden line, I feel my heartbeat slowing down and silence becoming healing. Breathing in the ocean air feels like finally coming home. Letting go of all the pain, feeling my soul alive and free again. Listening to its sound, that ancient and endless breath, restoring my mind, my heart and my soul, reminding me of who I truly am. Maybe the sea teaches us what we so often forget, that there is beauty in stillness and strength within gentleness, that every wave that breaks is not an ending but a new beginning, and that within every deep breath there is room to be reborn. Breathing in the ocean air, feeling the salt dissolve the pain, letting the wind carry away every shadow hidden in my heart. Listening to its song, eternal, free and sincere, restoration for the mind, peace for the heart, life for the soul. And when the world moves far too fast, I return to the sea, and I return to myself.